Simpro doesn't list a fixed public price because the cost is built around business size, number of users, and the specific field service management tools a company needs. By the end, you'll understand how Simpro pricing is structured, what actually affects the total cost, and whether it makes sense compared to simpler job management software. Simpro is a field service management platform used by contractors to handle job scheduling, dispatching, quoting, invoicing, and project tracking in one system. Instead of charging one flat subscription, Simpro uses a customized pricing model based on plan access and operational needs. Now explain what drives pricing. The biggest factor is feature access, since different tools like job management, quoting, and reporting are included depending on the plan level a business is on. The second factor is team size, because more users means more people accessing scheduling, dispatch, and job data inside the system. Now explain what you're actually paying for. You're paying for an all-in-one operational system that replaces multiple separate tools like scheduling software, invoicing systems, quoting tools, and customer management platforms. That matters because many businesses compare Simpro to the combined cost of multiple apps instead of a single subscription. Now explain who uses it. Simpro is mainly used by established service businesses like electrical contractors, HVAC companies, plumbing companies, and larger field service teams that manage multiple technicians. Now explain why pricing feels unclear. Pricing feels unclear because it is not tied to a simple public number, but instead depends on how many tools a business activates and how complex its workflows are. Now explain a common misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is expecting Simpro to have a fixed monthly price, when in reality, it is designed to scale with business operations. Now, explain decision logic. The real way to evaluate Simpro pricing is to compare how many separate tools it replaces in your workflow, instead of trying to find a single number online. Now explain limitation. A limitation is that smaller businesses may not use enough of the advanced features to justify the cost compared to lighter field service apps that focus only on scheduling and invoicing. Now, simplify it. Simpro pricing is based on business complexity, not a one-size subscription that applies to every contractor. Here's the simple breakdown. Smaller teams usually only need basic scheduling and invoicing tools, while larger companies benefit more because they can manage scheduling, dispatch, quoting, and reporting in one integrated system. Do this next. Write down the tools you currently use for scheduling, dispatching, quoting, invoicing, and reporting. Then compare them to what Simpro replaces in one platform. If Simpro replaces multiple systems, the cost becomes easier to justify. If it only replaces one or two tools, a simpler platform is usually the better fit.